Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So here is your Walgreens curbside video for the week of January the 1st to the 6th. So it's going right up until the 6th of January if you want to order this stuff. What a curbside offer is, you're ordering this stuff, cell phone, desktop computer, tablet, putting the order in through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check, driving to the store and getting it, and that is called a curbside offer. So we're just going to go through the best deals this week and, figure out what's a great deal. And if you're more of a shopper that likes to go in store, deal with register rewards, and you just like to see what's at the store, I did a shopping video yesterday. Please check it out. I will link it at the very end. Currently, all of the Christmas merchandise is 60% off. I think the candy's 50 though. We're thinking later this week it might hit 70 or maybe 80. We'll have to wait and see. But 60 right now. The news as of this morning, Target hit 90, but I think the rest of the stores are pretty much the same. The question is for Walmart and Meijer on the 2nd. Will it hit 75 or 90? That's yet to be determined. But if you might have a Target this morning, I would definitely run out and see what they have if you like to shop over there. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to look at is a hodgepodge of items, but if you can line this up perfectly, it's really great. So there's a lot of Revlon that's on clearance right now, and we have a $4 digital coupon. So whatever you can find, like $4 or less, you'll get it for free with a curbside pickup. We're also going to grab one of these Head & Shoulders Supremes, 75% off at $2.79, and we have this $2.50 digital coupon, so that makes it very, very cheap for that shampoo. And then we need more items in the basket to get us to that $10, so we're going to throw in 4 of these puffs, tissues for $1.99 a pop on a BOGO 50% off. And we have this 3 off of 4 digital coupon. Hopefully you have the same one as I. And then the final item we're going to grab is 5 boxes of these Cheez-Its. Because of the amount of digital coupons, it really dips down the final cost of the basket, so that's why we did it. We also used the code WAG10 or pickup 15. It took an extra $1.80 off. So $21.57, $1.80 off, free curbside pickup, $9.50 in digitals coming off. So the price I have here is $10.51. You know what I would personally do? I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it and pay the 51 cents and call this a super deal. Okay, so the next deal that we're going to look at, we are going to be just going through this deal because I know that this is a really good stock up price, especially if you have like a lot of teenagers in the house. 3 for $5 for the Cheez-Its, but we're going to add 7 to the basket. Now, over at Walgreens, the sales price is 3 for $5. So if you add a 4th, 5th, 6th box, they're all ringing up $1.69. So we're at $11.67. I used the code WAG10 for an extra $1.17 off. Curbside pickup is free, and here in Michigan, we don't pay tax on this because this is considered food. The new total is $10.50. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it and pay 50 cents. And it's just a really good use of rolling $10 in Walgreens cash for, 7 boxes of Cheez-Its. You would have a good amount for your stockpile, and, it's just a really good deal. Deal number 3. This is the one with the vitamins. So we have the 2 different boosters. Spend $35 on vitamins and supplements, get 7 back, and then spend $25, get 7 back. So that's $14 back on a $35 purchase. But it has to be very vitamin heavy, just to note that. So the first item that we're going to grab is 2 of these $21.99 one-a-day women's multivitamins for $32.98. It's buy one, get one 50% off. If you wish to get 2 men's or a mix and match of men and women's, go for it. It's a lot of vitamin supplements. We have this digital coupon, which is an 8 off of 2, a very generous coupon, high value. So definitely load it. very good one. We're also going to grab these Centrum 80 counts for $9.99. This is just the adult multivitamin, and we have a $4 digital that is attaching, so another fabulous coupon. So just to show you guys the Centrum and the one a day, that's $12 in digitals melting off, and the code WAG10 for an extra $3.10. Now the overall basket is $42.97. Subtracting that $3.10, we're still at that $35 threshold for the vitamin supplements. Spend $35, get back $7. Curbside pickup is free, no tax, $12 in digitals melting off. So with your debit card, you're going to pay $27.87 and then get back $14 in Walgreens cash. Now, if you might have a paper booster, this is a lot smarter deal if you could stack 3 boosters, a paper, and the 2 digitals in store. But if you just have the 2 digitals, this is a different way to do it. Okay, so this one is kind of weird, and I had to look at this deal like 4 times before I could actually figure it out. So the Scott's paper, that's usually buy one, get one 50% off. It's $5, but the toilet paper is buy one, get one 50% off. But these digital coupons are only attaching to the paper towel, even though it says both. So, I mean, if you wanted to call customer service and complain, possibly, but I mean, I'm having a really hard time getting through to customer service too. But with just the paper towel alone, you can actually use the code WAG10 to get an extra $1.20 off. And it still plays out like a buy one, get one 50% off, so it's kind of bizarre. But 3 of the paper towels alone is $15. WAG10 taking $1.20 off. Curbside pickup is free. $3 in digitals melting off, so $11.63. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.63 for 3 bags of paper towel. This is one item I'm actually running short in my stockpile right now, which I don't understand why, but I think I might do this deal. It's as good as a buy one, get one 50% off. And the final deal that I have prepared for you guys, we're going to grab one of the men's Gillette and one of the ladies' Venus razors. If you just want to load the coupons at the very least, maybe we can use them next week because the offer is $6 back, which isn't as high as we've seen in the last couple weeks. But these are the 2 coupons that you're going to load, the $3 off for the men and the $3 off for the ladies. It expires at the end of the month, so load it now for possible future deals. But right now, putting 2 of those into a basket is $22. Curbside pickup is free, a bit of tax there, and the $6 coming off. So $17.32, and then you're getting back $6.22. When you buy 2 of these, you're getting $6 back. You can use Walgreens cash if you wish, or just load the coupons at the very least. And another deal, if they give us something a little better as the month marches on, maybe that's the way to go. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.